Here are some easy tikki recipes. First is cheese stuffed aloo tikki. Mix mashed potatoes with spices, corn flour and coriander. Stuff each tikki with a cube of mozzarella cheese. Shallow fry on a hot tawa until golden crispy outside and perfectly gooey inside. Top the tikkis with green chutney, tamarind chutney, onions, coriander, chaat masala and save. Break it open for the ultimate cheese pull. Next up, crispy corn and cheese tikki. Mix mashed potatoes, sweet corn, grated cheese, spices, coriander and corn flour into a smooth tikki mixture. Shape into tikkis and shallow fry on a hot tawa until perfectly golden crispy. Top with green chutney, garlic chutney, onions, coriander and chaat masala. Third in the list are crispy paneer stuffed aloo tikkis. Mix boiled mashed potatoes with salt and other spices and prepare a spicy paneer filling. Stuff the paneer filling into the aloo tikkis. Now shallow fry the stuffed tikkis on a hot tawa with a little oil until crispy and beautifully golden. Also make sure the paneer filling is heated through. Serve hot with green chutney, tamarind chutney, chopped onions, fresh coriander and a sprinkle of chaat masala. Last but not the least, crispy beetroot and paneer tikki. Mix grated beetroot with crumbled paneer, breadcrumbs, corn flour, ginger, green chilies, coriander and other spices. Shape them into thick round tikkis and shallow fry on a hot tawa with a little oil until beautifully crisp and golden with a rich beetroot color. Serve hot with green chutney, mint yogurt dip, sliced onions, fresh coriander and a sprinkle of chaat masala. Thanks for watching. Please follow and like.